You like sweets? Then we suggest using candy patterns in makeup. Paint lollipops, turn your lips into a cupcake, and apply rainbow to your lashes. Watch fresh ideas of crazy makeup in our new video. Redhead is eating the most delicious donut, and Vicky's mouth is watering. She's on a healthy diet. It's summer, and a donut is not what she needs now. Redhead comes up with an idea. She's prepared a zero-calorie lip balm so that her friend isn't unhappy. It's EOS with a donut inside. Cut out a ring-shaped hole in EOS. This will be a donut. Mix beeswax, castor oil, and brown food coloring. Melt it and pour it into the ring. Fix the shape when it hardens. Make a hole on the donut for glaze using an awl. Melt the same mixture, adding pink food coloring, and pour it into the donut. Use the face paint and a thin brush to draw sprinkles on top. Let it cure in a fridge for half an hour. Vicky is excited. The donut EOS looks delicious, and it will not spoil your waist. Who needs a real donut when you can apply a sweet balm to your lips instead of it? Vicky can keep telling it to herself as much as she wants, but her inner sweet tooth wins after all. Once Redhead looks away, a piece of her real donut flies right into her friend's mouth. Summer day, walks, and carousel. These things give us sweet vibes. Let's make bright summer makeup. Let's do makeup inspired by a sweet candy. Draw a curved line with a white pencil. These are sweet streaks. Draw lines from the center of your lips. Imitate a lollipop pattern. Color the segments with red and white face paint. Mix brown and dark gray eyeshadow. Apply it to the streaks. Use light concealer to imitate glints. The only thing left to do is put a stick to my face. And I am a bright candy. Now you can't tell the difference between me and a lollipop. I can go straight to a candy festival and become the queen of sweet tooths. Let's make our life sweet. We will need cotton candy for that, and cupcake-inspired makeup. Brilliant idea! Cover your entire lips white. Apply pink face paint to the upper lip. This is cupcake cream. Imitate cream streaks. Paint the lower lip brown. This is a sponge base. Add brown sponge on your upper lip between the pink cream streaks. Define your lower lip with the white pencil from the bottom. Put a chain of blue half circles. This is the edge of the paper cup. Add bright pink and a little white on the upper lip. Put white glints on the lower lip, blending them. Decorate the lower lip with rhinestones. Put a red half bead in your Cupid's bow. And add a green cherry leaf. Now my friend and I are real sweet girls. This makeup is a bit bold, but it's certainly eye-catching. It seems we are straight from a candy shop window. Hi, candy and cupcake. Vicky wants to do lip makeup. It's such a pity that her lipstick is so totally boring. My lipstick is a different story because it's a real rainbow. Take an old lipstick out of the tube. Use a 5 milliliter syringe. Cut off the excess. Cover parchment paper with vegetable oil. Put the slanted cut of the syringe onto it. Hot glue. Melt the lipstick in a microwave and pour it into the syringe. We will make the rest of the layers by ourselves. Mix beeswax, macadamia oil, shea butter, and a bit of food coloring. Melt it in a microwave. Make some scratches with a toothpick in the hardened lipstick so that the layers attach better to each other. Pour in the mixture and let it harden. Make rainbow layers by adding different food colorings. Let each layer cool in the fridge. Let the rainbow lipstick sit in the fridge for half an hour. You can take it out of the syringe easily after that. Make a slanted cut and put the lipstick into the tube. A rainbow will always be in my pocket with a lipstick like this. I just take the lipstick and apply some rainbow to my lips. Let's shine with rainbow colors.